Who dares defile this ancient land? Who dares the wrath of Cenarius and the Night Elves? Let battle be joined.
The forest is coming alive! We're under attack!
It is under attack!
Whatever you say.
What do you want? Be happy too. Work. Our town is under attack! Okie dokie. You cannot defeat me. I am the heart of the land. Work.
War Chief.
Our town is under attack!
Direct me. I can wait no longer.
Demon-spawned wretches, you will all die! I defeated your kind in ages past, and I shall do so again. Yes?
I can wait no longer.
Work complete. You cannot defeat me. I am the heart of the land.
I'll consider
Our
it.
town is under attack!
War Chief.
Huh? Loktar.
Master?
Research complete. Now, my warriors, cleanse these brutes from the wilds. I will watch over you from the forest.
War Chief.
Our town is under attack!
Yes, War Chief. No longer. Yes. War Chief.
Master, ready to rise! Yes! Research complete! Say the word!
Yes, War Chief. War Chief.
We're under attack! What do you want? Yes. Research complete!
How can I help? Directly.
Where do you want me to go?
War Chief.
We're under attack!
I can wait no longer.
What do you want me to do?
Direct me.
Who do you want me to kill?
I can wait no longer.
Master?
What?
Chukare me.
Yes. War Chief.
Hell scream! I sense a dark power emanating from the wilderness. It might be a key to destroying Cenarius.
War
complete.
Chief. Finally.
What you want?
Yes, War Chief.
What you want me do? Who you want me kill?
Finally.
Yes, chieftain.
Something you doing? Say the word.
Ready to work. Research complete.
Whatever you say.
Work complete.
Need something. I can do it no longer. Finally.
What do you want? Be happy to.
What? Yes, where she want me go? Work complete. War Chief. I can wait no longer. What? Yeah. Anything you want, then just Sujin. Who you want me to kill? What she want me do? Where she want me go? What? War Chief, then just Sujin. I can say the word. I can wait no longer. Finally, I'll consider it. I'll consider it. Finally, I'll consider it. War Chief.
We're under attack!
My life for the whole. Who you want me to kill? Anything you want. Whatever you say. What you want me to do? Yeah.
We're under attack!
War Chief, say the word. Just right.
Our
Finally.
town is under attack!
Yes, Chieftain.
Here!
Yes, War Chief. Yes. Finally. I'll consider it. Whatever you say. I'll consider it. Finally. Whatever you say, I can wait no longer. I can wait no longer. Chief. Finally. I'll consider it. I'll consider it. Finally. Whatever you say. I can wait no longer. I'll consider it. War Chief. I'll consider it. Finally. Whatever you say, War Chief. I'll... War
Foul orcs! The Burning Masters charged us with protecting this well. You are unworthy of drinking from these dark waters.
I don't know what you are, or who you serve, but no one bars my way.
Someone call
Ready
it
to
an
ride,
audience.
whatever you say. Finally. I'll consider it.
The pool emanates great power, but I smell this stench of a demon curse about it.
I am cursed already. If I must drink from these waters to defeat Cenarius, then I will.
No, that goes against everything the War Chief teaches us. We can't let rage overcome us again.
No, warrior. We must embrace it as never before. We must become the vessels of destruction that we were meant to be. Yes! I feel the power once again. Come, my warriors. Drink from the dark waters, and you will be reborn. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. Finally, I'll consider it. Whatever you say. Finally, I'll consider it.
How may I serve?
Say the word. Yes, chieftain.
How may I What will be craving?
Need something. I can wait no longer. No problem. I can wait no longer.
You seek me help?
Right away.
What will be craving?
Say the word.
I can wait no longer.
The demons did their job well. You creatures are as reckless and bloodthirsty as they ever were.
We orcs are free, demi-god.
Is that what you tell yourself? Despite what you may believe, you are no better than the malignant bile that flows through your veins.
Damn you! The demi-god has fallen. The war song is supreme. Hello again, Gromash. Manaroth, it can't be. I've come to bring you and your brethren back into the fold. Though you orcs failed the Burning Legion before, you will now serve us once again. No, we are free. Stupid, pitiful creature. I am the rage in your heart. I am the fury of your thoughts. I alone empowered you to bring chaos to this world, and by the endless void you shall.